week lang po kayang ubusin kaya na lang sin. Pero dahil sa masamang panahon, abutin daw 2 weeks gumalinis. Mahaba pa. Mula dun sa dulo, halos nasa, kumbaga 1/4 pa lang po yung nalilinis nila. Ayan. Ang kapal po ng watay. Pasok tayo dito sa Dolomite Beach. Ayan, good morning po. Andito tayo ngayon sa Dolomite Beach.
से बहुत अच्छा देख तो समझ रहा
Ayan, mag-uumpisa na po ang event ng Dragon Boat. Ayun po sila, oh. Nagre-ready. Andito na yung mga mag-ano ng dragon boat. Dito po yan live na live sa Dolomite Beach. Ayan. Ayan na po sila, tapos na mag-ensayo. Ayan, kung nakakita nyo, ang dami talaga, tambak yung basura ngayon. Kasi sabi nila ate, kung wala daw pa parating ng mga basura, 1 week lang po kayang ubusin, kaya nilang sin. Pero dahil sa masamang panahon, abutin daw 2 weeks gumalinis. Mahaba pa, mula dun sa dulo, halos nasa, kumbaga 1/4 pa lang po yung nalilinis nila. Ayan. Ang kapal po ng water lily. Hindi lang po pati water lily, pati mga plastic na mga basura, kahoy. Ayan, hanggang doon po yan sa dulo.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop.
Tulong na sa paglilinis. Ito yung team ng Philippine Army. Ayan. Yung boat. Karera.